Hey G Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this chicken tikka masala. It's an Indian dish, and yeah, so if you would like to see how I created this, then keep watching. Hey G Squad, so I have all the ingredients laid out here. Let me just say this, there's some construction going on outside my window, so hopefully it's not picking up on the video. However, if you get a voiceover on this part, that's because the noise when I went back to edit, it was just so overpowering and distracting. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. So now back to our regular scheduled program. So now I have the chicken that I'm going to use today to make our dish. I'm doing both chicken breasts. I have a center cut chicken breast here, and then I have 2 chicken thighs that I'm going to cube. And then the rest of our ingredients are, I have some heavy whipping cream. I'm going to use like about 2 cups of this puree, tomato puree. Then I have a large onion. Also, I have some butter that's going to be a part of our sauce. Then I have some in these 2 dishes here. I have some minced garlic and some minced ginger. However, if you have the garlic in the jar, that's fine as well. Then I have some brown sugar. Also here I have some Tikka Masala sauce. Now I was looking for the powder, but my store didn't carry it, so I'm just going to use this in the jar, but you can use the powder, you know, as well. So also I have some organic coriander. Okay, can you see that? And I'm going to also list the ingredients on the screen as I go along. I have some smoked paprika. Then I have some chili powder. Also, I have some vegetable oil that we're going to cook our meat in. We're going to be using about a cup of this plain yogurt. I just picked up the fat-free. And I have spices. Going to use just a little of this cayenne pepper. I have some pink Himalayan salt. Then I have back here my turmeric. And I have some cumin. I'm also going to use like a 1/4 cup of water. So if my sauce turns out to be a little thick towards the end, I can just adjust it by adding the water. And then also, if you're counting your calories, you can switch out the heavy cream for some carnation evaporated milk. Okay, so I think I covered everything. So I'm going to go ahead and cube this chicken, and then we'll get started with cooking. Alright, family, so it's done. All done. My sauce is a nice consistency. It's not too thick, not too watery, just right. You see all the chunks of chicken in here. I could actually add some more chicken if I wanted to, but yeah. So it's all done. So let me plate this and then we'll wrap up the video. Okay, I decided to add some scallions on top of it. I'm sure they probably typically don't do this, but this is just my spin on it. Okay, add a little green in there for presentation. But yeah. So there you have it, my version of chicken tikka masala. Okay, so family, I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share, like, comment below, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Bye.